Wonderful. Let's go. Hello.
Hello.
And here's the menu. Choose what you're going to eat first. What would you like to eat today?
Do you have any specials today? Or do you recommend anything I can eat?
Yes, we do. Our special for today is bacon and eggs. It's $2.99. Would you like it?
Yes.
Okay. Please be patient. I'll be back, okay? Hello, welcome to our kitchen where we will be making our bacon and eggs. This is how they're going to be looking like. So let's start with the bacon. The first step, we will be folding it in half. Okay. Make sure to have a good folded. Okay. Now open it. We're going to be using the scissors in this step. Cut it in half carefully in the lines. Everybody makes mistakes. Doesn't have to be perfect though. Okay. Now let's set one to the side. If we look on this bacon, there's white in the middle and the two sides are with the pattern. So we'll be folding this about 1/3 of the paper, so it could be all in equal sizes. Then there's the other side. If one side is way too big, it's okay to redo that side. That seems okay. Now for this step, we'll be folding it front and back repeatedly. Okay. Now that that's done, you should get something like the real bacon, just the tips. So let's turn around. We folded these tips to the first line. So let's do this real fast. Now turn around. Now you have a bacon. Ta-da! Now let's start with the eggs. So we're going to start on the colored side. We're not going to fold, well, we're going to fold it like this though. Okay, so do it to the half. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just try to do it. And crease it real good. Okay, now that this side is done, now we have to do them like this. Okay, same thing. Okay, here it is. So now, this part is going to be tricky. Remember, if you messed up, just do it again. So let's see. It's about yeah, 1/3, 2/3 here, 1/3 here. Let's try that. Don't do it that hard on this one, because if you messed up, you could just go again. Okay, so if it's like that, I need to make it higher. Okay, I got it. real good when you did it. And just I'm gonna mess up. It's okay. Now for the other side, it's going to be way easier now that you know what's the exact size. So this one, you're just going to go where it's at and just fold it. Crease it real good. And now unfold it. Okay, now here, it's like about right here where you had to fold. Look carefully here. Right there. Okay, now just fold it over, just like this. Okay, and do the tiny little triangle of what's left. Okay, now we have to do the same thing over here. And this is just like the big one. Just go to where this is. Fold. And unfold. Okay, now that we have it like this, we're going to just unfold it like this. Make sure this one isn't a triangle anymore. It's more like this, okay? Now fold this up to the half, right about like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Crease it well because we're going to be folding it back on the next step. Now we're going to fold it back. Okay. Now fold these back inwards. You must have something like this at this point. It's kind of messed up, but it will get fixed in a moment. Get one side and do it as how this goes. So don't make it like too big or else the yolk will be kind of messed up. So let's see, this one will go okay, there you go. Got one side done. And now the next side. Okay, now you must have something like this. Really close like this, but it's not there yet. We still need to make this shape. So to make that shape, like this is way too big, we will be folding it half this way. So here is a half. We're going to need the half of that half. So we're going to just eyeball it. Okay, there you go. Fold it real good. Now to the other side. Okay, there you go. Now for the last part, doing the little edges. So for this I'm just going to use this fold as my guide. now that we have it like this, your egg is done. But if you wanna reinforce it for it could be better, add some tape in the back, or it can't just go like if it's a table. Okay? And there you have it, your very own egg. Now let's go back and feed our customer.
I can't wait to eat some yummy food. Hello.
Hello sir, this is your special that you asked for. Enjoy.
Thank
And
you.
here is your utensils.
Thank you. Looks delicious.
Enjoy.
Thank you. That was delicious. Shaq, please.
How was your food?
It was delicious.
Well, here's your receipt.
Okay, let me see it. I got the money.
Okay.
Here, keep the change.
Okay.
And
Thank
at what
you.
time do you guys serve lunch? Cause this was yummy.
Oh, well, lunch starts at 11 a.m. and finishes at 3 p.m.
Thank you. I think I'll make it.
Okay, see you soon then. Bye.
Bye. Bye.